Ask clients detailed questions and record exact instructions when they tell you about special cleaning needs or problem areas. Begin the walkthrough by asking the client to point out and describe any areas of concern and listen without interruption. Take clear notes that include location, surface type, frequency requested, and any known sensitivities to chemicals or materials. Prioritize the requested areas at the start of the visit, so the client sees immediate attention and you avoid running out of time for critical tasks. Use simple checklists or a standardized form to capture these details so team members can follow the same plan on repeat visits. When a cleaning technique is specialized or uncommon, briefly explain what you will do and why, and confirm permission before proceeding. Photograph or log recurring issues for future jobs and include the note in the client record, so changes in condition or effectiveness can be tracked. 3 common problems are missed expectations, inconsistency across visits, and unclear instructions from the start. Missed expectations happen when the client thinks a task is included, but it is not. Avoid this by reviewing scope and any limits during the walkthrough and repeating back the client request before starting. Inconsistency occurs when different team members interpret notes differently. Fix this by using the same checklist, preferring brief written instructions over memory, and assigning the same staff when possible. Unclear instructions lead to rework and dissatisfaction. Ask clarifying questions, summarize what you heard, and document specifics such as treat water stains on tile with vinegar solution, do not use bleach on metal trim. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like customized cleaning services and provides a searchable platform to find local professionals. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, post questions, and share experiences to improve results for future jobs.